everyone, welcome back to my channel, brought to you by me. Today I want to do a little bit of training for new consultants. Sending out samples costs a lot of money. It's a lot of commitment, it's a lot of time, it's a lot of effort, and you don't always know if they're even going to get them or if they're actually going to try them, so why not save yourself some money? I started doing this new way of sending out samples actually just recently. So one thing I do is I offer samples about a week before a party, just so if anyone hasn't tried, I have enough time to get them out some samples to try. So here's what I do. I'm going to turn this around and show you some examples. All right, so if you know me, guys, you know I love me some PowerPoint. So I have little templates already saved. As you can see, I put the address, and then upside down, I put a little note to where it will look something like this on the back of the package. I'm going to show you basically what everything looks like. I use these little mailers. Well, they're actually like self-seal, clear baggies. I get them from Amazon. I believe they're 9 by 11. No, they're 9 by 6. I lied. I can leave the link for the ones that I buy below, but you're welcome to do any size that you want. So what I do is I print out this lovely little paper that I just showed you. And what I do is I fold it in half, and then I have my package. So what I do is I have these pre-made little things for my business, my little postmark. So I put that on the top for my return address. I use my computer to print out the address on the actual paper of the person I'm sending samples to, and then I actually just print upside down the little information, so if anyone else wants to get some samples, they have my website. So what do I include? I obviously include this. I include my Posh Y, write a little personal note. I include some samples, obviously, and what do I use to stamp them with? They have these fun little things called non-machinable stamps. They cost a little bit more than regular stamps, but I can ship these for 70 cents. So I save a lot of time. It's great, it's cheaper, and it's a cute presentation. You don't have to be flashy or fancy. It just looks good. So that's what I got for you guys. I hope you learned something. If you have questions, let me know as usual. But I hope I can help you save some dollar bills, y'all, because especially when you're just starting out, you definitely need to keep an eye on your expenses. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Happy packing and pampering.